What's up?
So yesterday at like 6:30 a.m. my phone just it touch nothing. I can't unlock it. The screen just I can't slide it. I tried like force restarting it. That didn't do nothing. I don't know what's wrong with it. But I can't do nothing.
Is it cracked?
No. You fixed it. You fixed my cracked screen.
How long ago?
Probably weeks ago. There wasn't no snow on the ground yet.
Just a little behind the scenes information. So what I'm trying to do now is restart the phone and see if the touch issue still exists. A lot of times Apple with aftermarket screens will cause them to stop touching, and a lot of times all you need to do is reboot the phone, and most of the times it should come back. If not, maybe a software update, because whatever update Apple sends that kind of like ruins the phone, another update they send out will fix whatever they ruined. They do that a lot. It's a cat and mouse chase between Apple and the phone repair community.
I have to open it up and see.
How long is that?
About 20 minutes.
And if it is the issue, how much? If you can fix it, how much?
Well, if it's just like a plug or something, I'll check it out. I'll check and see if there's any damage. Maybe I could warranty it for you.
Okay.
I'll let you know. All right?
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome.
Yeah, I want to know why customers do this. She came in saying that this touchscreen on her phone stopped working, and I did it for her 2 weeks ago, and she wants to know why. Well, I said, I'll open it up, look at the screen from the inside and see if it's damaged, and this is what I find. I don't work like this. I don't do work like this. I find work like this all the time. See, one thing that's missing is my stamp that I put on every single screen I install. I have a rubber stamp. Okay, it's an ink stamp, and it says the name of my business on it, just like that. That lets me know that the part came from me, at least. There's not one screen that leaves here that doesn't have that stamp on it. Now, unbelievable. Look at that. I think, what the hell? They got tape. Screws missing. That plate's missing. And the whole screen is garbage. Now let's see what she says when she comes back.
The screen's not for me. Nope.
You did fix it though. It was cracked and you fixed it.
But that's not the screen for me.
No, I didn't say the screen was I said you like to fix the crack.
Right.
You wasn't able to do nothing with it?
No, you have to take it back where you got the screen. Or else you pay me $55 for a new one.
I paid $55 for you. I need to fix it up.
Alright.
How long?
About 5-10 minutes.
Okay.
There's the new screen. You could quickly spot the difference in the frame plates being installed on this one. And you can see my stamps. I'll stamp it again. Usually I stamp them twice. Because a lot of times the ink will just run off on one area and not the other.
Alright, you 55. Yeah, it has your phone, missing parts inside.
That's why I need to stop going home.
Oh, that was...
Yeah. And you told me last time I came here, don't go there no more. You told me.
Yeah.
You know, it's crazy. My 8-year-old son, the same phone with me. He ain't cracked it or nothing.
He's careful, he knows.
On his ass whooped.
He knows you're going to let him go probably a while without his phone, too.
Oh, yeah. I already took his phone from once we got trouble at school.
Good. He's learning.
Yeah. His dad was like,
like
oh,
that.
yeah. His dad bought the phone. He's like, oh, yeah, take that phone. He was like, you're not playing it. I took the phone, the TV, the PlayStation.
Good. That's how they learn.
My mom used to just beat the shit out of me.
No, that doesn't work. I mean, it does and it doesn't.
Well, my mom used to yell, and then, like, if she
Yeah.
So I'm gonna just take all your stuff away and you go get your boy.
Very well said.
Alright, thank
Thank
you.